Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search notes in Evernote step by step. If you have many notes and want to find a specific one quickly, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the Notes section where all of your notes are stored. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of the note you want to find. For this example, I'll search for my fast notes. As you type, Evernote will automatically display matching results. Click on the note from the search results to open it. Now you can read, edit, or update the note whenever you need. This search feature is very useful because it helps you find important notes in just a few seconds, even if you have hundreds of notes. After reviewing the note, return to the Notes section. As you can see, searching for notes in Evernote is quick, simple, and helps you stay organized and save time. And that's it. That's how you search notes in Evernote. It's one of the easiest ways to find your information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.